Okay guys, I'm getting ready to do my first DIY project. I got this beautiful dresser from off of the street. Don't hate. Don't judge me and don't hate. And I'm gonna repurpose it into an island dresser for my cloffice. Okay, so let's do this. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. Here we go. And for the record, this is my very first DIY project and I don't really know what I'm doing. I've never done anything like this before. My mom spray painted the chandelier that's going in my cloffice last year sometime, which it's still not even up because I need somebody to install it for me. But anyhow, she did that for me. So painting a piece of furniture, spray painting a piece of furniture, I've never done before in my life. So we're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna hope for the best and hopefully it turns out really good. Okay, so here's the before. It is your traditional changing table dresser. I think this is like a cherry wood, but I'm about to transform it into something that's gonna look really great in my cloffice. Because this dark wood ain't it. So we're gonna transform it so that it can be fabulous. Okay, let's pray this goes well. Because I really don't know how it's gonna go. Okay, I came outside to get some air. I'm wearing a mask and I'm in our garage with the door open, but the smell is still really strong. So far, so good, I think. I'll come back and check in with you and let you know how it's going. Okay, so I think I'm done, although I could use some more of the spray paint. I ran out. The bottle is empty. Like I said, my mom used the same bottle of gold spray paint to paint my chandelier that's going in my cloffice. So I just used what was left. I feel like I want to do a little bit more like on the sides. I could use another coat, maybe even in the front, but I'm not aiming for perfection per se. I'm just aiming for it to look unique and special and go really well with the design of my cloffice, which, you know, is the gold with the white and the leopard and pink and black and all that. So, all right, let's take a look, see how it came out, see how we feel about it. Okay, here we are. I think it looks great. I think it looks really great. Again, I wouldn't mind doing another coat, but overall, I'm loving it. That dark wood was just never gonna work in my cloffice. But the gold is gonna be perfect. I love it. I love it. And maybe I'll get some more spray paint so I can do another coat, but overall, I love the way it looks. Yay me! Okay, so I'm back a few days later. I got some more spray paint, so now I'm gonna add a second coat of the gold spray paint to the dresser and finish it up really nicely. And it looks really great actually already, but the second coat of spray paint is gonna make it look even better. So let's do it. All right, y'all, so it is day 3 now of this DIY dresser repurposing project. And I went to the hardware store a little while ago, got some more spray paint, got some more of the gold spray paint because I ran out when I was doing the second coat. I actually kind of messed up a little bit because some of it was dripping. I guess I had maybe sprayed too much on one of the drawers, so it was starting to drip. and I panicked because I was like, I don't want it to dry like this with the dripping. So I started kind of like dabbing it with a cloth, trying to, you know, get rid of that dripping look on there so it wouldn't dry like that, but then I kind of messed it up. So I need to do another coat over it to fix that, but I had run out of the gold spray paint. So I went to the hardware store, got some more spray paint. I'm gonna do that third coat and then try to just fix some other areas on there. I also got some really nice golden white designed contact paper that I'm gonna put on the top of the dresser where the changing table area used to be, where there was like a cushion for like a baby to go on top. I'm removing that, removing the straps where you strap the baby in, and then also gonna put this contact paper on top so that I can add my own like decor and different items on top of it to use it as my island dresser for the cloffice. So I'm going in to do this third coat to hopefully fix the mistake that I made where I messed up on this drawer, and hopefully that'll be it and it can dry, and then I can have my husband bring it upstairs to my cloffice. So stay tuned. All right, so it's day 3. I'm back. I'm planning to do another coat. I got some more of the gold spray paint, and I'm planning to do another coat because I kind of messed up this middle drawer. It was dripping when I was doing my second coat, and so I started trying to wipe it away a little bit so that it wouldn't drip, and I just messed it up. So I got some more spray paint so I can fix that issue. I also removed this cushion because remember, this used to be a changing table, right? So I removed this cushion, took that away, and then I have the straps here. This has a nail, so I'm gonna have to unscrew that in order to remove the straps. Once I remove the straps, I'll spray paint this just to make it look a little bit more uniform, but I did get some contact paper, golden white contact paper that I'm gonna put on the top of this. So it won't just be gold like the rest of it. I'm gonna have contact paper on here, which I'll show you. I got it from my local dollar store, and hopefully it'll look really nice. And you know, after this third coat, which I'm only doing because I messed up that middle drawer, I really don't need to do a third coat. I could just leave it like it is, but because I messed up this part, I'm gonna have to go over it to fix it. So hopefully once I do that, it'll be done. I'll let it dry for 8 hours, and then maybe this evening my husband can, when he comes home, he can bring it upstairs into my cloffice because it should be dry by then. So that's the update for now. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Let's get this done. All right, so I'm gonna try to remove this screw that's right here so that I can take this strap off so that I can spray paint this area and then add the contact paper, okay? Wish me luck. Bam, bam, like a pro. What? Like a pro, dog. All right, now I have to do the one on the other side. Woohoo, I did that, y'all. I did that. I couldn't remember how to unscrew with the drill, but I went with my instincts and I was right. So I was able to unscrew it with the drill. The nail is out, the straps are off. Now I'm gonna remove those. I'm gonna wipe this clean, spray paint it gold, spray paint this area to fix my mess up. And then once it's dry, I'll add my contact paper to the top, my golden white contact paper. So for my first DIY project, I have to say, I'm really proud of myself. I think I'm doing a pretty darn good job. Just saying, just saying. It's time to do this final coat. Everything is looking really, really great. As you can see, it looks awesome. Let me show you the top. I'm about to do one more coat on this top area where I used to have that padding for the baby. I'm I'm gonna do that. Again, I'm putting contact paper there, but I want the area on the sides to be nice and smooth, so I'm gonna do that. But I do kind of like have a decent amount of spray paint left, so I decided I'll do another coat of spray paint on my chandelier. That's gonna go in my cloffice. It's just been it's just been sitting in my closet since my mom spray painted it last summer. So sad it's been that long. But anyhow, I'm gonna just do another coat of gold on the chandelier because I plan on getting this chandelier up sometime within the next couple of weeks. Even if I have to end up doing it myself, it's going up. So the chandelier and the dresser will match. And I'm really excited about how all this is coming out. And I'm proud of myself for doing my first DIY project. Woo, 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 woo. Alrighty, I am done. So now it just needs to dry. I'm gonna leave it to dry for 8 hours. And once it's been drying for 8 hours and it's all good, then I will add the golden white contact paper to the top of it. Which, you know, with the exception of this little situation right here, which came from the adhesive that the cushion was on, this really looks nice. Like it could really just stay like this, but I'll add my contact paper and see how I like it. But I think it looks awesome. I did another coat on my chandelier. That's looking awesome as well. We'll let that dry and it's going up, y'all. Okay. Yes, I love it. I love that it tells a story. I love that it's unique. I couldn't buy this in a store, right? It's special and I like it. Proud of me.